Hi, Bob Thompson for Smartphone Matters. In this video, I'm going to compare speed test results between Google's Project Fi Sprint network and Google Project Fi's T-Mobile network. On the left is my Nexus 6. It is connected to Project Fi's Sprint LTE network. On the right is my Nexus 5X. It's using Project Fi's T-Mobile network. I was sitting here in Starbucks and I noticed that the two phones were connected to two different networks, so I thought I would just make a quick video. This was kind of unplanned, so forgive the shaky cam. As usual, I'm going to run 3 speed tests on each network, and then we can compare the results. I usually don't see my Nexus 6 connecting to the Sprint network in my area, so I was surprised that while I was sitting in Starbucks, it was on the Sprint network. And we'll just run these tests and we can compare the results. So the phone on the left has the Project Fi Basics SIM in it. The phone on the right has the Project Fi Data Only SIM in it. The difference between the two is that the Project Fi Basic SIM will use either the T-Mobile or Sprint network, and the Project Fi Data Only SIM only uses the T-Mobile network. The third speed test is almost done, and then I will review the results. Okay, the test is finished, so here are the results. Well, we can see for the Nexus 5X using the Project Fi Data Only SIM on the T-Mobile LTE network, we had much faster speeds. For the first test, we had 37.9 megabits per second down, 18.13 megabits per second up, and a ping time of 29 milliseconds. For the second test, we had 29.42 megabits per second down, 19.03 megabits per second up, and a ping time of 26 milliseconds. For the third and final test, we had 38.03 megabits per second down, 18.7 megabits per second up, and a ping time of 26 milliseconds. Well, the Nexus 6 using the Project Fi Basic SIM on the Sprint LTE network had fast speeds, but not quite as fast as the Nexus 5X on the T-Mobile network. For the first test, we had 17.39 megabits per second down, 7.87 megabits per second up, and a ping time of 39 milliseconds. For the second test, we had 13.83 megabits per second down, 5.06 megabits per second up, and a ping time of 38 milliseconds. For the third and final test, we had 13.04 megabits per second down, 5.61 megabits per second up, and a ping time of 42 milliseconds. So we can see here clearly in this test that the T-Mobile network was much faster. In fact, it was twice as fast in most cases for upload and download speeds. Now, these are some very fast times for the T-Mobile network. In fact, these are probably some of the fastest times I've ever seen on the T-Mobile network. And that just could be based on time of day and my location. Like I said, I was just sitting in my local Starbucks having a cup of coffee. I noticed that the two phones were connected to the different networks, and I decided to pull out my camera and make this video. All right, well, I think that's going to be it for now. If you found this video useful, give it a like on YouTube. If you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to the Smartphone Matters YouTube channel. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them below, or better yet, head on over to Smartphone Matters, click the Ask button, and leave a reply there. Thanks for watching.